A deep, mournful hum rises from the vegetable drawer. The butter quivers, the eggs tremble. Tonight they perform. Oh, cruel fridge, you chill me so. I am but cream, I cannot go. The yogurt whispers lies of blue. The cheese conspires against my hue. We shell-shocked innocence, so fragile, so frail, condemned to wobble in your cold, frosty jail. I am fiery yellow bold, yet they slather me on sandwiches cold. Why does ketchup get applause while I am left to hiss in the shadow? Hiss all you want, you tangy fool. The buns adore my scarlet rule. Act 3, the leftovers lament. Leftover lasagna, once a feast, once admired. Now I rot in Tupperware. Expire the peas, mock me, the carrot sticks jeer. Even the ice cube is cold, austere. Oh, lasagna, your cheese was gold. Now moldy tails in plastic toys. We jiggle, we